going on, guys? It's your boy Alphonses. Glad you tuned in to my channel. So today we are about to, you know, take our kids to an indoor playground because it's so cold in Belgium. I don't know what it is. I mean, it's only February, so we're about to take them to the park because they've been inside for a long time because of the weather. It's always raining here. I don't know what it is, but it rains a lot. So glad you can tune in. So we're about to go. They're in the car waiting, so I can't hold off for too long. All right, see you in a minute. Hey, what's going on, guys? So we are headed to, what's the name of the Legend? It's called Lengenturia or something like that. So we're headed to this indoor park. 33 degrees right now, and it's snowing. So we don't want our kids to get sick. So, and then after we go to the indoor park, we're gonna go to a restaurant. I was looking online for the indoor park. They have food there, so I don't know if the food good enough, but if it is, we'll probably just stay there and eat. If not, we're gonna go to a restaurant and enjoy. If you haven't heard, we are having a little boy. His name is gonna be Tyrone.
No, it ain't.
It ain't? Why? It is gonna be Tyrone.
Not gonna be Tyrone.
What's his name gonna be?
It ain't gonna be Tyrone.
Just joking, guys. We don't know the name yet, but I mean, I like Tyrone. What y'all think? What y'all think about Tyrone? You know what I'm saying? Tyrone. It's not gonna be his name, but we don't know his name right now. But when we find out, when we get the name, we will let you know. So again, headed to this indoor park. Yeah. Hey guys, so we finally made it, and this is the little park. This area is for 0 to 6. Yay! Where you going? Pretty nice. They have some more on the outside, but it's a lot of like medieval type stuff, and I don't think that's for kids. That's under 3 years old. So, but it's pretty good. What you think? Huh?
I just want to see them play.
Woo. Here we go. Woo. Woo! You got that big old baby up there. You got that big old baby. Goalie, goalie. Oh. Go ahead, mommy. You just saw a pregnant woman slide down a 0 to 6 year old slide. You don't see that every day. You don't see that every day. All right, now, oh, now don't, hold on, now don't fall. Yo, they're trying to get on this, the fan. See, that's why they say no adults on this ride, on these rides. This girl gonna try to get on this thing right here, and the fan started making noises. But pop the thing. What a fan is? And broke it. We are the only ones here. which is a good thing, especially when you're new to something. So,
Right.
but we got to get these girls dedicated because, well, not dedicated, but out and about because they started crying a lot. But it's okay, you know, they're kids, so.
It was mainly
You was crying too, whatever. You was crying. Baby, get back on it.
No.
Come on now.
Because it made that noise. I don't want to be breaking it. I'm pretty sure.
You ain't gonna break it. Come on, I just want to see it. Oh, a camera? Where? That ain't no camera. It's like a sprinkler. You about ready?
Yeah, we can.
Just think about it. Did you enjoy it? Did you enjoy it? I think she enjoyed it. She too busy looking at the screen. But yeah, we're about to head out. Yes, peace. Say what?
I said we tried indoor playground with the girls, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you know, we got chicken and turkey.
Chicken and the turkey. Which one the chicken?
That's the chicken.
This the chicken? Hey, this the turkey. Anyways, let the snow fall. What's going on, guys? Change of plans. So we are going to IKEA to buy 2 high chairs, you know, because we only got 1 high chair at the house, so we need at least 2 more because we got a little one that's baking in the oven, and also we got a Leela. So 5:11 right now, and most of the restaurants don't open until like 6:30, 7 o'clock. So we don't want to wait. We may eat in IKEA. Back in the States, IKEA food is not that good, but in Europe, it's pretty decent. So we're just gonna eat here, shop, and then call it a day. Mommy, wait. Mother. How much are those? That's the same. Oh, that one have a like a. That one got a table in the front. That's why. So if we get 2. Okay. Oh, look at the little kid chairs too. That's nice.
I know. I'm just looking at
Got
that.
chalkboard. Oh, look at. You remember we was gonna get that stove over there? Yeah. It's kind of cute.
Maybe not.
You think she's gonna use it?
A little bit. She like the light.
Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna get 2 of those.
Yeah.
I gotta grab it then.
You want to get the basket?
Yeah. Let me get the basket. Pork. Oink oink. I can eat pork now. All right. Hold on now. You pregnant? Let me get this. All right. So we got everything for. You sure it's everything for the hot chairs? All right. So look, a woman cannot help but to look around. Look at this. It's pop in. See?
Oh,
See, that's why it's covered. See this? It's see that the little pop thing right there.
Oh yeah, you know these got.
Oh, you want those? You think we need it? €6. Yay, nay. This is what IKEA do to you. You buy one thing, and then all of a sudden, you see something else you need. Oh, you probably got bought cotton. Nah, we got blankets at the house. We got blankets. Hey. Hey, pretty. Say hey. Yeah. See? You supposed to be heading out. Look at this. Look at him. Look at here, look at here. We supposed to be heading out. And she just keeps shopping. Well, she got the money, but you know. Pig.
We're gonna take care of the pig.
I'ma sleep with it.
You ain't gonna sleep with the pig.
Why?
Because you don't even like pigs.
I do like pigs. You don't know what I like. Well, you my wife, so you should probably do. Oink, oink. Oink, oink. Thank you. So, you gonna buy me a pig? Why?
Because you're not gonna sleep with the pig.
Whatever. Hey. What did it say? Kiejik Rond Wanir Het Je Pas Up Ekilbi Ene a pot Kelly Herusi Ikebik. I know I got that right. I know I did. I know I did. What's going on, guys? So we are at IKEA. So as you guys know, I'm on this keto diet, so I'm just trying to eat as healthy as I can when I go out. So I got some, I think that's Switzerland meatballs. Sweden meatballs. Some green beans and coleslaw and cucumbers. They got some chicken, fries, and string beans. And then she got this delicious looking cheesecake thing. So I'm about to eat, and after this we're just gonna head to the house and relax. Netflix, watch some Netflix, and just chill. So, holla. Hey, what's going on, guys? So we've been back home for about 2 hours now. I just had to go to the gym and do my 1.53 miles. I almost forgot. You know, after eating, I got comfortable. So, but I went to the gym, completed it. Now I'm back home, about to wash some clothes and just chill, man. Maybe I put those IKEA seats together for the kids. But I'm just about to relax, maybe do some homework, and I will catch you guys on the next vlog. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. The link is above if you're on Facebook, and if you're on YouTube, just subscribe and follow me, man. Like I said, I just started this YouTube channel. This is my second video, so thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video. All right, out.